Hi everyone, thanks for your interest in submitting an article to Saddlebag Notes. Your content is what makes SBN what it is today. This is going to be a quick film showing you how to upload your article, so let's get started. First, open up your favorite browser and let's go to tucson.com/saddlebag. Once you're at the page, look for the submission buttons at the top menu bar. Let's just give that a click. Alright, if this is your first time here, you're going to be greeted with the submission guidelines. And if this is the first time you're uploading the article, we really suggest that you read through all of these guidelines. Now, if this is second, third, fourth time you've been here, you can just simply scroll all the way to the bottom, look for the click here to submit, give it a click, and that gets us over to the submissions page. Now what we're going to do is we're going to be uploading a sample article and some sample photos. Let's open up the article. In this case, it's my article by Mary Spender. Here's the whole body, and at the bottom we also have the captions in for the photos that we're going to use. So let's start filling in the fields. First off, headline. In this case, it's called My Article. The byline is simply your name. The body content is going to be the entire article itself, including the captions. Now on Windows, that's Control-C to copy, and then Control-V to paste. On Mac, it's Command-C to copy and Command-V to paste. So, let's copy it, click in the body, paste it on in, just like that. Scroll up a little bit. Now we've got the logos and photos you want to get in. Let's go ahead and close our article. Let's select our 3 photos. And we're just going to simply drag it in to where you see the little cloud with the arrow and release. They'll start uploading. There's the first, there's the second, there's the third. That's it, they're in. We've got a couple more spots here. Let's fill in our contact name. Let's fill in a contact phone number. Now, unless you're submitting a billboard ad, you don't need to put your address in. Okay, so let's skip that. And last, let's put a contact email in. Now, the note spot is real simple. This is a note to go directly to the artist. In this case, we want to make the first picture, the globe, the largest picture on the article. So we're just going to simply say, please make photo 1 the largest on the article. That's it. Click the legal agreement down here at the bottom and just hit submit. That's it. You're all done. Now I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're not clear about something, please play it again. We're really looking forward to reading your article and sharing it with the rest of Saddlebrook. Thanks again.